But let's talk about the national capital and the NCR, because the air quality remains in the severe category once again, where the air quality index in the capital has been in the severe level for last 5 odd days, right after the festival of Diwali and the longer duration of this year's smog. Despite relatively windier local conditions, might be due to lack of pollution control measures in the city. Now, the air quality of Delhi continues to be deteriorated, with even lowering visibility in several parts of Delhi NCR, as Delhi woke up to a windier and no improvement whatsoever that has been in the pollution levels. Let me straight away go across to Madhurima now. Madhurima, this morning the ongoing smog situation is said to be a public health emergency, and the windier conditions that is going to likely to affect the people even more.
Well, absolutely, Amita. The situation in the national capital in concern with the air quality is a major concern today, as I'm reporting from Akshardham flyover. Looking at the seriousness of the situation, as you can see right behind me is a metro track, but nothing is visible. A huge metro train cannot also be seen, and we are not very far. We are just 100 to 300 meters away from the pillars over there, but the metro train cannot be seen. Moving along, on my right side is the Akshardham temple. It's a huge piece of architecture, and usually any other day it lightens up the picturesque of this particular flyover. But look at today's situation. The Akshardham temple is also not visible from the flyover. There are multiple places in the national capital which have recorded over 450 AQI, including RK Puram, Punjabi Bagh, and multiple places where the AQI is above 500, and from where I'm reporting it is 500 and severe. Even the weather apps have sent out notification asserting that today's AQI is so severe that it is also hazardous for people who have respiratory disorders and who do not have, and they have also warned again outside physical activity. Such is the condition of the national capital, and as you rightly pointed out, the stubble burning has reduced, but because of the poor decision making by the government, the situation remains very toxic in the national capital.
Well, it was low visibility and windier this morning, because it's been over last 5 odd days or so, Madhurima, where Delhi has recorded the 24-hourly air quality index almost touching 400. And this is really a public health emergency situation, because the air pollution levels continue to remain in the severe category. For the moment, Madhurima, thanks very much for joining in.